Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple clips in CapCut PC step by step. Selecting multiple clips allows you to move, copy, delete, or edit several clips at the same time. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then add your video clips to the timeline. Next, click on the first clip you want to select. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding the Control key, click on the other clips you want to select. All the selected clips will now be highlighted. You can now move, copy, delete, or apply edits to all the selected clips at the same time. If you want to select all the clips on the timeline, press Control-A on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully selected multiple clips in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.